Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic session. And the table topic for uh, today is fools and money. Fools and their money are easily parted. Fools and their money are easily parted. Fools and money are easily parted. The way I think about it is that when fools and money both part are there, then there is a very high probability that they won't remain together. And why I think so? When you don't have intelligence, when you are bound to do very basic mistakes, then you can indulge in some things that can destroy your wealth, right? In the history, we have seen so many examples from the start, when people have a lot of money, but uh, throughout their life, it depleted, and it came a time that they did not have money, right? It happens everywhere. We often look at people, then people gradually moved from no money to have huge sum of money, but we don't often talk about this journey from huge money to downward spiral. So one of the example that comes into my mind is that a lot of people indulge in future and option without thinking about that what does it hold for them. So why they spend their money in future and option, and they lose almost everything. And there have been many scenarios when people have to sell their house to pay the debt because of future and because they lost all the money in options. And recently, there is a SEBI organization in India which publishes a study about the stock market traders, that people who invest who do trading in future and option, 90% of them tend to lose the money. So it's a very high probability that whenever someone comes into the future and option, they are going to lose money. So, but fool does not understand this fact, does not have a look at that fact. They think that this is easy money, and they play with that money. So to bring the message home is that when fool have money and they can't coexist together. For some time, it might seem that they have a lot of money, and after some time, they have become aware. But if they do not uh, become intelligent, then they both cannot exist together. We have plethora of example in the history, right? Thank you. Over to you.